Have you ever noticed how your hands can be so calm while your mind is overflowing with all kinds of thoughts, flooding your peace with a list of a million things you need to do? That was me this weekend. The Christmas season is here, and along with it, a packed calendar. This morning, I'm preparing brunch for our small group. Couples from church that my husband and I have been doing life with for 5 years now. We absolutely love them and they've become great friends. But getting to this peaceful moment, that took some work. And I'm not talking about the food. See, I had a conflict this weekend. There was a serving event at church that I'd committed to, and I also had things to do, family stuff, to prepare for the week ahead. And I also had to prepare for small group today. Talk about overwhelmed. I knew I couldn't do it all. And honestly, the anxiety I felt just trying to make a decision of what to eliminate. Man, it caused such an internal struggle. My body was quick to sound the alarm. If you watched last Thursday's video about how our anxious brains lie to us, well, I had to put that framework into practice myself right away. The challenge came just days after posting it. Notice it, name it, question it, replace it. Like I said, I noticed the tension in my body first. Then came the racing thoughts and the heaviness in my chest and shoulders. Yep, that was the first clue that I was dealing with something. So I named it. I didn't want to admit it. It was guilt. Guilt for wanting to say no to the church serving event. And tucked underneath the guilt, shame. Telling myself I should be able to do it all. That I should have planned better. I want to be that person who isn't always messing up and letting everybody down. But I prayed and I asked God, please help me to clarify what I'm thinking, what I'm feeling. And then I questioned those thoughts. What's true? The fact is, I can't do everything. It's just that simple. I'm not perfect and I don't have to be. Maybe I could have planned better, but I didn't, and that's okay. Listen, our mental health matters. Eliminating overwhelm is necessary, and my first ministry is my family. So I replaced those lies with truth. I'm so proud of myself for not saying yes to avoid disappointing people. Me prioritizing my well-being, that's not selfish. That's wisdom. It's growth, healing. Let me tell you, I even had plans to decorate our little 4-foot Christmas tree. Didn't happen. Ran out of time. And I didn't stress about it. Now that's a win. So here I am, candle lit, food ready, waiting for the doorbell to ring. And I'm looking forward to it. That might not sound like much to you, but just last year, especially the year before, it would have been so hard for me to see the sunshine because the clouds would have hidden it. Today, I see the sun. In addition to my Thursday videos, this is a new kind of video for this channel. A sort of behind the lens look at the ordinary moments where God meets us. I hope you'll join me here from time to time.